Good Saturday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on around the area right now. And if you've got anything to do first thing this morning, you've got a little bit of time. Rain starting to make its way into the area, and it will continue to do so as we go through the day today and hang around pretty much until I'd say the mid to late afternoon. We could see some isolated showers actually linger into the early evening hours, and the chance for severe weather will go up as we get to the afternoon hours as well. And we'll talk more about that in just a moment. Let's go ahead and actually turn off all the satellite data real quick. Well, actually, let's do one thing before we turn it all off. Let's pan back out. We're going to show you how large this area of rain is. And again, this is going to be moving through the area today. And you can see there could be 2 waves of it. And I'm keeping an eye. We've got some tornado watches and some severe thunderstorm warnings down toward the Gulf Coast area, but I'm keeping an eye on this area right here. Let me turn on a drawing tool real quick to show you. This area right here could be interesting because it's already starting to bow out very broad, and that could be interesting to see how that line continues to move through and develop as if it were to potentially make its way through this way. We'll have to keep an eye on that because it could bring in, that could be our section that brings in some severe weather. So I'll continue to watch this area today as we go through the day. Right now, as you can see, it's kind of moving into the Mississippi area and western Mississippi, really. And I'll continue to watch it as it makes its way through Alabama and portions of Florida and Georgia. And it may even extend itself up into Tennessee as we go through the day as well. So certainly continue to watch that to see if it broadens itself out. And if it does, that'll certainly have my attention for the rest of the day. And I'll keep you updated on the progress that it's making as well. So now let's get back in closer to home here. And I want to turn off all the satellite data radar data and show you what is going to happen in terms of the severe weather potential. Let's go ahead and start with what the Storms Prediction Center is predicting for us. So we'll turn that on. You see Salisbury right here, all of Rowan County in this dark green, and much of the state really in the dark green. There are some areas in the yellow down there. That is the yellow out toward the coast is a slight chance for severe weather. We are in the marginal chance for severe weather, and then just to the north of us is a general thunderstorm risk. So we'll certainly continue to keep an eye on this and see if the Storms Prediction Center were to transition this line up or down, and see what it will do for us in terms of weather impacts. Let's go ahead and now turn off all this, and we'll turn on the model data. And you just saw moments ago that, like I said, the rain is not far away. This is 8 o'clock this morning, and you can see rain starting to move into the southern or the southwest corner of the county. And let's go ahead and get in a little closer to home, bring up a couple local towns and cities here. There you see Coolamy, Cleveland, Salisbury, China Grove, Rockwell, Kannapolis, just for some context. And then we'll take it hour by hour. Again, this is starting at 8 a.m. This is 9 a.m., still seeing some light rain making its way into the county. By 10 a.m., rain starting to pick up with some intensity here. We'll see some moderate to heavy rainfall making its way through. And as we head to 11, you see the majority of the county dealing with moderate to heavy rainfall at that time as well. By around noon, we could see a little bit of a lull with some light rain going on in some areas around the county. But then by 1 p.m., we're right back to it again. And by 2 p.m., this is where I think the severe weather potential really gives itself an opportunity to pick up, is during the afternoon hours. There you see some moderate to heavy rainfall going on through most of the county. As we head to 3 p.m., still some moderate to heavy rainfall going on. By 4 p.m., starting to see some light rain again. 5 p.m., continue to see light rain. 6 p.m., things start to get a little isolated. 7 p.m., we're fairly dry. 8 p.m., still some isolated activity. This is 9 p.m. 10 p.m., you still see some isolated showers there. 11, still some isolated activity. And then by midnight, we're pretty much done. I mean, really, once we get down to the isolated stuff, we're going to be, the severe weather threat, I think, is going to go away at that point, and most of our rain will certainly be out of the area. We'll continue to keep an eye on that. I want to go back and show you one more thing real quick while we're here, though, and this is going to show you the max hail potential here. And I'm going to back it up, and we'll start at 8 a.m. again. Again, we're close to the county here, in close on the county. So 9, 10, 11, things still looking good. 12, 1, 2 p.m. There you see some blues starting to make their way in. This is showing where the hail potential kind of starts to increase for us in terms of maybe seeing some large hail. This is 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Things are pretty much gone. So again, I think in that afternoon time frame, really, again, like I said, about 2 p.m. I'd say between 2 and 5 p.m. That's our best window, I think, for severe weather around the county. So we'll certainly keep an eye on that. Let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll get a word from our friends at Patterson Farm. We'll come back. We'll give you the weather impacts for today. We'll talk about the main threats in terms of what the system can bring as it moves through the area and the county is for us with severe weather potential. We'll show you the photo of the day. We'll talk about the pollen outlook, the mowing forecast, the mosquito forecast, and the 5-day forecast, all coming up right after the break.
Hi, this is Michelle Patterson. During these uncertain times, everything is changing constantly. We are working hard to adapt in any way that we can. We know many of you, unfortunately, will probably not be able to come out and visit our farm this season. So for the first time ever, Patterson Farm Market and Tours is offering a virtual tour experience. Here at the farm, we believe agricultural education is essential, and we strive to educate our community about how important agriculture is to our everyday lives.
Like all of our tours, each student will receive an activity book, a farm takeaway, as well as the materials needed to do a guided hands-on activity. We will deliver the students' kits to schools within a 25-mile radius. For schools further, there may be an additional fee. Our virtual tours will last approximately 1 hour. We are working on seasonal and non-seasonal virtual tours. This way, you will be able to virtually visit our farm year-round. If you are still able to come to the farm, we would love to have you. We are following all the current CDC guidelines, so we are limiting the amount of students per each tour. To book a virtual or on-site tour, check out our website at visitpattersonfarm.com. Virtual tour dates will be posted soon.
The weather impacts for today, sponsored by Patterson Farm. You just saw the advertisement for the virtual tours going on right now, the Buzz on Bees tour and the Strawberry tour. For more information on booking your tour, visit pattersonfarm.com. So we'll see rain start to move into the area by around 9 a.m. Winds will be out of the east at around 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts as high as 20 miles an hour. Stronger winds likely with any storms that move through. Thunderstorms are likely this afternoon and evening. Some could be strong to severe. The main threats are large hail, damaging winds, and localized flooding with heavy rainfall. We'll certainly continue to keep you updated on any watches, warnings, advisories, anything like that that comes out, and make you aware of any severe weather moving into and through the county as we go through the day. The photo of the day submitted to us by Jason Thomas. A lot of folks that were up early yesterday saw this. This glow you see in the sky here is not a comet or anything like that. It is a rocket flying through the sky. The Spacex Dragon launched yesterday from Cape Canaveral, Florida at 10 minutes till 6 in the morning. You saw some of the photos on my Facebook and Twitter and Instagram pages as well, where my daughter and I got out there and took some photos yesterday morning while the rocket was moving over. And you saw, I'm sure, a lot of photos all over Facebook and Twitter and social media and of this rocket moving through the sky. And I wanted to share Jason's quickly, and thank you, Jason, for submitting this photo. You can submit your photo for an opportunity to be selected as the photo of the day by submitting them to me on Facebook and Twitter. You can also head over to RowanCountyWeather.com, and in the About Us section, there's a Contact Us form you can fill out and send those photos to me as well. And if your photo gets selected, it'll appear right here and on the Rowan County Weather website as the photo of the day. The Pollen Outlook, sponsored by Goodnight's Lawn Care. They offer services like mowing, trimming, seeding, mulch, pine straw, and other various services. These guys take care of my lawn, and I absolutely love it. For more information on services provided, give them a call, 980-521-1937. The main pollen drivers right now are oak, sweet gum, and beech. And you can see we're going to have some medium levels of pollen today to give us a little bit of relief. If you're an allergy sufferer like myself, this rain is a welcome sight to at least wash some of it away. But unfortunately, it's going to be short-lived for us. We go back to extreme levels tomorrow, and we'll stay in extreme levels right through the middle of the week. The mowing forecast, well, if you're planning on mowing, I'd go ahead and sit it out today. As you can see from my earlier mentions here in this video forecast update, it's going to be a wet Saturday around the area and around the county. So go ahead and take a break today, watch some Major League Baseball. I think there's a big Ultimate Fighting Championship pay-per-view on the night. Just, take some time inside to do something today and stay inside away from all that rain and the severe weather potential. Sunday and Monday, we've got clear skies and the opportunity to stay dry and get it done. So certainly plenty of time to take advantage of it after today. The spring fling on the farm going on right now. Visit pattersonfarm.com/spring-fling-on-the-farm for all the details on the spring fling on the farm. The mosquito forecast, we've got low activity through the first part of next week. And then, unfortunately, with the rain we're getting today and warmer temperatures coming in by the middle of the week, we're going to see medium mosquito activity. So these little pests are getting ready to take off on us, unfortunately. And our time is coming to an end that we've been able to enjoy for most of April of having some low activity and not having to deal with them as bad as we're getting ready to, unfortunately. The 5-day forecast, sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Cooling, built on integrity. Give them a call, 704-857-5684. Visit them on their website, www.sasloop.com. Mention you saw they sponsor the forecast on Rowan County weather. They'll give you $25 off your first-time service call. Today, we'll see a 90% chance of rain during the morning hours, high of only 60. Severe thunderstorms are possible as we head through the afternoon and evening, a low of 50. And again, a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms today. On Sunday, we'll see partly sunny skies, high of 72. Partly cloudy skies Sunday evening, low of 46. By Monday, we'll see sunny skies, high of 74 with partly cloudy skies Monday evening with a low of 52. On Tuesday, partly sunny skies, high of 80 with partly cloudy skies Tuesday evening, a low of 57. And by Wednesday, we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of 83 and partly cloudy skies Wednesday evening with a low of 60. If you're looking for ways to stay updated with the Rowan County weather at any time, you can visit us on our website, www.rowancountyweather.com. You can follow and like us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can check us out on cable television at WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's available on Hotwire Channel 394, Spectrum Channel 16. We'll keep you updated there as well. For now, enjoy your Saturday. We'll continue to keep you updated as we go through the day for any potential for severe weather, and we'll provide radar updates throughout the day as well with how the rain's progressing as it moves through the area. As always, thank you for following Rowan County weather.